I love brodiebasedd.
Swag to the six, like swag on a dick. Pull up in that bitch, hit a fucking lick. Hella drugs bustin' out my motherfucking body. Like a bitch at the party, whacker doing Molly. See I'm unattached, now she want me back down. I cannot go back to my ex cause she moving whacking down. Moving around with 10K, he might get you whacked down. Shout out to Xavier, he would probably hack down.